Between work, kids, chores, and about a million other responsibilities, it's no wonder many parents feel completely exhausted and overwhelmed. But have no fear, my friends, because we've got 3 simple steps to help you combat parent burnout and reclaim your energy with another Wellness 101. Step 1. Prioritize self-care. Self-care isn't selfish, folks. It's essential. Think of it like this. You can't pour from an empty pitcher. You need to refill yourself to keep giving to others. Start by carving out just 10 minutes a day for yourself. Whether it's a quick walk, meditation, or reading a book, those little moments of self-care can make a world of difference. Schedule self-care into your day like it's an important meeting. We interrupt this episode for a shameless plug. This episode of the Wellness 101 Show is brought to you by OuchieCap, the wearable hands-free ice pack designed specifically for kids. Whether it's a bump, bruise, fever, earache, or another minor injury, OuchieCap has got you covered. Just turn the hat inside out, insert the gel pack through the opening, flip it right side up, and place it on your child. It's that simple. OuchieCap provides natural, soothing relief for your little one while allowing them to stay on the move. Check it out and make life a little easier for both you and your kids. Step 2. Simplify and delegate. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and feel like you have to do it all. But guess what? You don't. Start by identifying what's truly essential and what can be skipped, outsourced, or shared. Get the whole family involved. It's not only helpful, but it also teaches teamwork and responsibility. And don't be afraid to ask for help from friends, family, or even professional services. You're not alone in this. Step 3. Set boundaries. It's okay to say no to things that drain your time and energy. Protect your family's downtime and your own mental health by limiting commitments and screen time. Every yes to something outside your priorities is a no to something that matters most. Choose wisely. Remember, being a parent isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Take it one step at a time, and don't forget to give yourself a little grace along the way. Until next time, this is Mr. Wellness saying be well and follow the steps to a healthier you.